Assalamu alaikum students. So today I have brought quadratic graph as a new topic. A student requested me to discuss the quadratic graph. Today we will start with the interpretation of quadratic graph. The equation of quadratic graph is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and you can see that a, b and c are integers. They are numeric values and each has its own importance on a quadratic graph. First of all, you must know that quadratic equation has a 2 in the power. Whenever we have a 2 in the power, we can call it a quadratic graph. If it is power 1, we call it a linear graph. So quadratic graph is in the form of a parabola, or we can call it a curve. Now, usually when we observe a quadratic graph, the equation is given like this, and this is also mentioned. A is not equal to 0. What does it mean? What will happen if A becomes 0? If A becomes 0, so your x square is automatically becomes 0. So we will be left with bx plus c. So bx power 1 means a linear equation. So we are going to have a straight line graph. So the curve graph will be converted into straight line if A becomes 0. This is something very important. So it means if A is not 0, then A will be greater than 0 or less than 0. So what will happen if it is greater than 0? If it is greater than 0, it will be a happy face. You can see a curve is opened upward. We can call it a happy face. And if it is less than 0, it's open downward and we can call it a sad face. Now, if value of A is bigger, you can see the graph is a narrow graph. If the value of A is smaller, like in fraction, it is a broad graph. Now B is responsible for the movement of graph in the 4 quadrants. C is y-intercept, means the movement of graph above the y-axis or below the y-axis. Plus 5, you can see it is above the y-axis. Minus 5, it is below the y-axis. Now there are some more features in a quadratic graph. Equation of line of symmetry. You know that line of symmetry is a line which divides anything into two exact halves. So if I want to make the half of the graph, where should I start from? This turning point is a very helpful point because it is going to tell us that from here we can have our line of symmetry. Now, when I draw the line of symmetry, it is a straight line and it is crossing x-axis at -1. So I should write the line of symmetry because it's a straight line. So I'm going to use the equation of a straight line. So it is x is equal to -1. I hope this is clear. Now, if it is making a sad face or a negative graph, so we can see that turning point helps us to find the line of symmetry. The turning point is here. So I can draw a straight line downward and the straight line goes through point +2. So here the equation of the straight line is x is equal to +2. Now we have a minimum point. Very important thing is a minimum point. You know that point means coordinates. Now coordinate minimum point, the graph is going down, down and down, and this is the turning point. So this is the point which is actually the minimum point. And from here the graph is going up and up. And we can use vice versa as well. Now this minimum point is actually the coordinate where y is -6 and x is -1. So we can say that the minimum point of this graph is -1, -6. The maximum point of this graph, again the turning point is the maximum point where the y is 4 and the value of x is 2. So I will write 2, 4. Now let's interpret these quadratic graphs. Minimum or maximum? Graph is coming down, down, down. So we will have a minimum point. We are not going to have a maximum point. So I'm going to write the minimum point, tick. And then I'm going to choose what is this minimum point. So here x is 3 and y is 4. So I will write 3, 4. Now equation of line of symmetry. Equation of line of symmetry, again with the help of the turning point, I am going to draw a line, a straight line which is going to cross x-axis at point 3. So I will be writing here x is equal to 3. Now, if this is another graph and we have to find maximum or minimum, because the graph is going up and reaches the peak, there is a highest point. So I will take this maximum point, and the maximum point is the coordinate, and it is x is 1, y is also 1. So I will write 1, 1. Equation of line of symmetry. So I have to plot the line and see where this straight line crossing through at x-axis. So at x-axis it is crossing +1. So I will write x is equal to +1. Now quadratic graphs are all around us. You can see while making a bridge or a swing, like rides, and even in banana, the swing on which is made on a tree, it makes a happy face because it goes like this. And when a footballer kick the football, it makes the sad face reaching the highest point. All these things are the important parts of quadratic graph. I hope you have understood. Now observe mathematics in your surrounding. Have a good day.